On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
I'm late. We're dumping. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Golden Pocket, bouncing. What is going on? Otter gang. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. How we all doing? I mean, I had to restart my computer. It was being a bit of a douche canoe. But we're here. We even got the good old poll started. If you were on an island, the polls just keep getting crazier and crazier. So what I do with the polls, I always think outside of the box. I always try to go, okay, what if I was like a camping channel? What would I ask? What if I was like a food channel? You know? Wait until we get into some naughty channels, the Only Otters channels, okay? We'll see what we get up to. But these polls are the best polls in all of the YouTube space. What's going on? Good to see everybody. How we all doing? Bitcoin rolling over. We'll see what gets on today. Thank you, everybody, for being here bright and early. Yes, I did get my ears. Look, I lost all my grays overnight. I mean, I got my ears lowered. That's what my grandmother says, so. The ears have been lowered, and we're ready to go. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Now, I had to restart my computer. That's why I was late. Otherwise, you would get a Mr. Roboto. It was chopping up. It was chopping up. I don't know what to do about it, man. I can't fix everything, man. I build houses. I can fix anything in a house. I don't know about computer stuff. Computer stuff is just... You know, it just puts you through the ringer when it's something easy. Remember last time? It was the power cord. According to me, that's a load of bollocks. So we come into our golden pocket area. This morning we're rolling down. No trade yet. I would like to go long here, but you want confirmation here, right? Correct. Higher low? Nah. Bounced off our 618. Can still come lower. I mean, 786 would be nice. We do have liquidity in the lows here, so as to be expected, we got, triple top in here. Whoop. And then a little rollover into some liquidity in here. Can we bounce out of here, right? Possible. I would like to see confirmation, though. Okay? I don't think this is the low. Put a 1 in the chat if you think this is the low. Put a 2 in the chat if you think we're going lower. I look like a pineapple. I think I got a. I don't comb my hair in the morning. Maybe I should. Man, this just keeps getting deeper back in here. Who cares? That's the thing. I'm like, at the end of the day, I'm not trying to, this is trading. Do traders have to look good as well as? What would you rather me be an ogre and at least trade good, or I don't think it's all about looks here. I think it's about performance. Yeah, this does not look like the bottom. Yeah, you guys are smart. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. You guys are all going for the machete. Machete. I don't know, man. I'd probably go for the matches. Like, I can make a fire, but once you get a fire started, game over. You just keep it going. All right, that's your number one job. Keep that fire going. I mean, rope, net, and blanket would be good too. The machete would make work so much easier, though. You could put it on a stick, make it a spear. You could, you'd be good to go. But starting that fire, you would need to get the magical clicking rocks, Ka-chish, ka-chish. I don't know about that. I don't know if you get the clicking rocks going. Does anybody let me know. Do you know how to start a fire without matches with the clicking rocks? Like, I know how to make the circle with the shavings, but I don't know how to click the rocks, man. With a flint, like, I don't know what rocks to flint it with. Maybe I'm just not as outdoorsy as you. I'm pretty outdoorsy, so you guys let me know. Good morning, Andrew Cameron. What's going on? Al Jr., Dusty Hunt, Jeffrey Stonecipher. Forget about it. Let's go. Swaggerosaurus Lex. What's going on, Lex? Good to see you. Board PC guy, Dragonfly Dylan. Roaming Brave, Darren, doing things. Goldie Crypto, what's going on? Good to see you as well. CJ, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Board PC guy, yeah, I was late. Jesse, good luck. Good morning to you. Wick 589. Chantel, good morning to you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. Sean Beringer, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Let's go. IKO. Paul Caruso. Gang. All right, getting a little bounce here. Like 618. I mean, rolled over quite nicely this morning. We'll see. That's what she said. There's a joke in there somewhere. We bounced nicely and then higher low. I'm kind of tempted. Very easy risk management. Lots of this is not constructive price action to the downside here, but not yet. Let's not rush it. Very good trading yesterday. We missed the big short, but we caught a lot of good trades yesterday. We were on a little bit of a trading spree. Yeah, that's the one. I mean, you guys saw yesterday. We made that. That $100 and that $60, and I managed to scalp a couple more $200 trades. Ended up with like a $600 day yesterday. That was really good. Okay, always having some good time here, man. You guys are the best. I don't get how it does this joint thing here. I did not trade on Monday. It's the week so far. So it does this thing. I think it's the time thing. So I didn't trade on Monday. But it's like yesterday and today combined. Isn't that weird? I think the time frame on the exchange, I don't know how to change that on the exchange. And then obviously we haven't traded today, but this is today. This is from yesterday though. Which is weird. Really weird. Anyways. We'll keep going. I guess it doesn't matter as long as I guess it's just adding to my P&L today. So we'll keep pushing. This looks like a little bit of a rollover. We're in a bounce zone, so we'll see how price behaves in here. It's not something I'm going to jump on. Obviously below VWAP right now, standard deviation. We get an SFP in here. That would be nice. Some volume kicking up. And we got the volume rollover here. So if we kick in and then bounce, we could look for the bounce, but yeah, take it up to the previous day. Yeah. We're really stuck in here, aren't we? 89,000 is going to be the troublesome. 89,000 gives us this area in here gives us access to the price above us, so we'll have to wait and see. I think it's just something we have to wait for here. Thank you everybody for being here. Jesse, good luck. Dan Fitaru, good morning to you. That's a challenging name. Kryptonic, good morning to you. Good to see you, man. Lunchable connoisseur, I love it. I mean, Lunchable connoisseur, were you one of those people who saved like the good pieces for the end, or did you eat it? Like, did you make the super sandwich with the Lunchables, or did you like the pizza Lunchables? I remember the pizza Lunchables. It's a fake ass pizzas. Okay, let's see. Yeah, no trade for now. Thank you everybody for being here, smacking up that like button, subscribing if you're new. Walsh Jesse, good morning to you. Gains for Life, good morning to you. Good to see you, brother. Jeffrey Stone Cypher. Yo, Alex, how's it going, homie? Good to see you, NT. It's going well, man. It's going well. My son probably got the best sleep he's had in like 3 weeks. So he's been going through that sleep regression, not knowing what he wants, screaming in the middle of the night, waking us up about 4 or 5 times. My poor wife, she's an absolute legend. But it was a really good sleep last night. I had a very busy day after streaming and teaching yesterday, so I got a lot done yesterday. The Toronto Maple Leafs beat the Boston Bruins. They were down 3-1, and we came back and beat them in overtime last night. That was absolutely wonderful because we can't stand the Bruins, by the way. So things are good. Thanks for asking, NT. Ernie, good morning. Hope you get humped today. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Joel Vasquez. Retro. Mike Tech. What's going on, man? Good to see you. You seen the Tesla stock price lately? No, I haven't. What's going on with Tesla? Is it bad? Is it tanking? Oof. All right, coming back into the... Okay. I had someone in my other community get short at 359. That's pretty good. We were looking at that. Eee! Sorry. It's not Tesla anymore. It's called Testicle. It's hanging low. Oh, is it too early for like rude jokes? I don't think it's ever too early for rude jokes. As long as we don't swear, right? As long as we don't swear. We did really good yesterday that we just started swearing for the hell of it. Low-hanging fruit jokes, dad jokes, all that good stuff. Joan, good morning. Good to see you as well. Tony Soprano, my brother. Good to see you, brother. When are we going to do that one-on-one? I told you we could do a one-on-one. You still haven't bugged me about that. Well, it's Jesse. Cracking an egg and cracking a smile, you need a good laugh. Make Mike by a mile. Let's go. Let's go. I love it. Does it snow? Actually, it's been like 2, 3, 4 degrees. So we got like 8 feet of snow in the last 2 weeks, and now it's all melting. So thank God. I've never shoveled so much in my life. I mean, I lived in Australia before the winter here. Oh. Wick 589, Jeremo, Roaming Brave, Dan to dad joke. We got lots of dad jokes here. We have to practice. So here's the SFP. If we're going to bounce off the 6, okay, so we want to see a bounce and reclaim here. Okay, we're in our golden pocket area. So if we're looking here, this will be a bounce and a push back. Okay, and go from swing low to swing high here, swing low to swing high. Right, you can see this is our golden pocket area. So we would look for a bounce, a reclaim, and a push back up. That's what we would look for. So getting a little bit of a bounce here, a little bit of a battle. You want a battle? You must be crazy. Everybody dance now. You won't to battle. You must be crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, The one candle to rule them all. Boom, 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 boom. Nope. No bouncy bounce. Okay, trying to push through here. Now we go 786, right? Same thing. We waiting. Trading is waiting. Okay. Nice rollover. You can see the nice rejection retest here of our critical support level resistance now. All right, getting a bull div in here. Little bull div trying to push back. Trying. It's trying, but it's getting denied. It's getting denied. Bill Nye, the science guy. Eagle Scout. Let's go. That's cool. That's really cool. Maybe a band. Hey, Goldie Crypto. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Jay Violet as well. K Diggity. I'm willing to start anything on fire. Let me know. On that note, Machete. It's not even close. Yeah. I mean, I would probably go Machete too. Just because like you can build stuff. You can make a spear, right? You can make like a big ass spear. You could cut up a big ass, like make yourself some beautiful like canopies and cut down some trees, whatever you need, man. You strike flint like matches against each other. I was a Boy Scout. Yeah, but where are you getting this flint? Like, how do you identify the correct rocks to knock together? I get the start the fire. Is it just you can use any rock? Can you use any rock to start a fire like that? I don't know. Like, got to be the right rocks. See, like what? I mean, the only rocks in Canada are the ones that people smoke. Bunch of. That's why Donald Trump's mad at us. All right. Castaway. Okay. Wilson. Yeah. Oh, man. Just shorted Sui. Let's go, man. NT, good morning to you. Buck, good morning to you. Good to see you, brother. John Foster, Crypto, Gains for Life. Nice interview with the Nexus. Thank you. Yeah, Geo put me through the ringer on the Nexus. Shout out to Trader Geo. Make sure you go and follow him. That was a fun interview. How much fund you utilize to make profit daily? Here you go, my friend. Just put in exclamation mark risk, and you can see right there, my friend. You can't change the time on MexC. I spoke to support, and they said it's about the zone the system rolls over in Asia somewhere. Yeah, that's weird because it must roll over just before like end of New York session. Like it's weird. The bird next door. Love your TA, brother. Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. Try to subscribe to your Discord with an international card. It's getting declined. I tried multiple times. Maybe PayPal, maybe credit card. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I can help you there. Would love for you to come and join us. Amazing group of people. Utterly degenerate superstars, man. Super Discord. Good morning to you, or afternoon, K Diggity. Wretched, good morning to you. Getting a little pushback here. Very snappy price action. Okay, very snappy. No trade yet. Just patience here. Just a bit overextended in this area, right? Like we pushed up pretty aggressively yesterday. And that was good. Like we caught some good trades in our Discord. The TIA trade from Thesis. Oh my God. I mean, absolutely spoiling you guys rotten here. Like, I don't know. If you can't make $30 with like, look at this. Oh, man. I don't even know what to say. The TIA. Look at this thing. Oh, man. Dot. Thesis was on fire yesterday. My God. Didn't he hit like an 800%er on TIA? Something crazy like that. Yeah, look, he's doing this stuff, man. Look. He's like he's on such fire. He's got to do this. This is Thesis, man. He's just Just crushing it. You gotta laugh, man. You gotta laugh. Oh man, so this is such a legend, man. Okay, a little pushback here. I like this. I like the pushback here. What's our 24 overextended to the downside? VWAP pushing up. Okay, I like the pushback. This is good. I like the little pushback. We do have resistance in front of us at 88.50 here, so we'll see if we do. Push back up into VWAP would be nice. After this is very overextended too, right? So I like this push. Can we come for this little high in here? That would be first. Bull divs here, pushing up into our 618. Golden pocket. We'll see if we do bounce here. Gotta love it. Chris Madden, Marsden, I was here on your first Super Chat live stream. It was very touching. You were more appreciative. May I say a few tears. Love you, man. On your first Super Chat live stream. Chris, thank you so much for being here. You were more than appreciative. Yeah, I mean, I didn't expect to get anywhere with this. I just wanted to learn how to trade really well. God bless you, Chris. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Canadian. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, like my first super chat, I was like, what the hell, man? I was blown away, and I still am every day. Like I just hit 8,000 subscribers. I'm like, I can't even imagine what 8,000 people look like, let alone watching my crazy ass. Like I just try to press buy and sell successfully and try to help people change their lives. That's it. I was at the bank yesterday talking to my business account, and he's like, what do you do for a living? I'm like, I yell at people to press buy and sell on a daily basis. He's like, what? I'm like, yeah, man, I don't know. A bunch of otters. They're like looking at me like, what the? Because I had to open up a business account, and they're like, what? I'm like, yeah, otters, charts. They're like, what do you do? I'm like, stream, otters, charts, degens, Bitcoin. They're like, Bitcoin. I'm like, yeah. This is a good push here. I like this. Bullish divergence into, so bullish divergence into a key area. Okay, bull divs here. It's okay to wait for your confirmation to get long and a break of structure. This is where people fail. People will jump in here and they won't wait for your confirmation. Okay, that is going to be detrimental to your account. It's not hard to wait for the bull div. Look, you sweep down key level. It's okay to wait for the trigger wave here. Look, you got double bottom trigger wave, right? Continuation right there. And there's a couple of instances where we were talking about this as well. I believe in our Discord too, right? Where I think it was me and B Team Crypto, the Granite Grappler, one of our mods. We were talking about what he missed here. Yeah, so he was here. So we had the key level, right? So this is a thing in the Discord you can get it involved with, right? Like, is there an entry that I missed here? I have these levels and they're being respected, but I struggle with entries like this at this time. Okay, so it's a 618 bounce, right? You can see that in here. You can see the bullish divergence in here, right? So you got your key level that we give in advance, bullish divergence, money flows coming up, right? So your entry is right here. It's not, you don't need to be the wick whisperer, okay? We know plenty of those neighborhood hoes, the wick whisperers. We don't need to be one of those, okay? There's some very talented people out there. Jason Casper catches these like a beast, okay? You don't need to be a wick whisperer to make money. That's what I'm trying to say, is you can wait for the confirmation and the higher low, bull divs, golden pocket area, bull divs, higher low, continuation. Look, it goes, right? But that's it, right? Like you learn how to get into these safely, and if you get in here, guess what? Very easy stop loss below the low, right? So You don't need to be a wick whisperer, okay? Okay, so nice push here. Good morning, everyone, and especially to Alexo. Thank you. Fast Quipto. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Alex Quartz is a fire starting rock. Okay. Thank you, Darren. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you for being here, man. Darren does things. He has a channel as well. Go ahead and share your channel, Darren. I would love for you to share your channel here. Helping people. I'm sure they can handle your accent. Your British accent isn't that strong. Tesla is a buy. Yeah, I would probably buy Tesla too. It's hanging low though, that testicle. All right, K Diggity Drew. Okay, we've covered that. Sorry, I'm trying to catch up with stream here with the chat. Okay, got bull divs down in here trying to push back. Nothing yet. Thank you so much for the super chat. Lorelei, good morning to you. How's it going? Good to see you. Alexandra G in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Drive safely, Alex. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. I just see people becoming members here. What's going on? The Dusty Hunt. If I was on an island, I would want a tent. But you can make a tent, man. You can make a tent. You're gonna see. All you're gonna see is the Dusty Hunt in a blanket. That's it. It goes by trading day, not time zone. Okay. It ends at 6 p.m. every day, New York time. That's interesting. Interesting. What do I think of the Pi network? I think it's garbage. I don't know. Everybody talking about P or Pi or whatever. Good morning, Steve Hickey. What's going on, man? Okay, a little chop here. Little chop. Harry Belton, good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Army Piper, my man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to send you over to the Piper Academy after the stream today. So make sure when you go over there, make sure you ask OC guy to look at ETH, okay? Make sure when you go over to the Piper Academy, you say, OC, show me ETH, okay? I need you to do that for me. Don't yell at me. I'm sensitive. Goldie Crypto, Albino Rhino, good to see you. Maybe a Band-Aid. Got to swipe lower, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm looking at 83.3, Darren, so we'll see. We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. I would expect a little retrace. We can look for a push up to VWAP here. But overall, I would like to see the market go lower. We'll talk about top-down analysis as well. 230 people here, 61 likes. You guys are kind of slacking on that, but that's okay. We'll forgive you. We hit 200 likes yesterday, so I'm not going to complain. JD, it's in the game. What's going on? Thank you, JD, for gifting 5 memberships. Thank you so much, JD. Appreciate your support, my friend. Now let's see if we got any lurkers in here. Infinite Team TA, lurker. Let's go. DAP FOMO, lurker. Easy, lurker. I tried, okay? Duality. I've seen you before. But lurker. And modern crypto cowboy. Let's go. You're modern. What is a modern crypto cowboy? You ride a bicycle instead of a horse? Like what makes a cowboy modern? What makes Spyros, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Dave Digital, lurker. Welcome to the baby otters. Let's see some otters in the chat, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. BT Deadman, top of the morning. Thank you for being here. Thank you for saying good morning. Wix Wi-Fi 89. Good to see you as well. French Toaster, the man, the myth, the legend. Shredder, good morning to you. Crypto Rob, good morning to you. I don't know. Sometimes I just look at the name Reaper, just saying inappropriate stuff and remove YouTube those comments. Yeah, that's the one, man. Guys, go check out Darren Does Things. He has an awesome channel. He's going to be doing more updates and tutorials. You got to do a CVD tutorial. That's something I'm going to request from you because you do a good analysis on that. CVD absorption, coinalyze. I got that. I still don't use it. I mean, I used to use it, watching Jason Casper. Okay, we got the CVD absorption going on in here, so we could see that we got the whales absorbing the longs and the open interest coming up, and then the prices coming down, and then we're getting a divergence. I'm not that guy. I'm not too much interpretation for me. But you, Darren, should do a video on this so that I can understand it better. Explain it to a 5-year-old or an otter, right? Someone who doesn't speak the English, okay? Look at this thing. It wants to go. It wants to go. We got a little bit of resistance in here. Money's still coming out. Like, it's still not happy money, okay? 5-minute looks a bit better. You got the camel toe pattern down here. Guys, I'm on one today. I'm sorry. I haven't sworn yet, which is surprising. Tell me this is not the camel toe pattern. You can't unsee it. I know you got. You can't. This is so fun. I can't help. I'm making myself laugh today, man. We're on fire. We're on fire. Oh, shit. I just swore. Okay. I can't look at my chart anymore. I got to go to like an 8-minute here. Okay, there we go. I can't go on the 5-minute anymore, guys. It's just gonna make me burst. Whew. Oh shit! I swore again. That's 2. Okay, I'm out of swear words today. I've sworn twice, laughing at a stupid momentum wave. Okay. I'm crying. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see what happens here. You drunk? No, I don't drink IKO. I'm a sober man. I gave all that stuff up years ago, so you got some good vibes today, bro. Thanks for being here, Gains for Life, man. Happy to be here. Wick's wife, fine 89. Got to throw those possums in the chat. We got the wifey emoji in here as well. Oh, man. Okay, so we got bull dips down here. I'd like to see this push up. Let's go and do some top down for everybody in here. We got 250 people here. Thank you guys so much for smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new, all that good stuff. And what is the idea today? So the idea is, hey, man, we need to get above 89,000. This is clearly sticky right now, but nonetheless, we can see a couple of things, which is important. Okay, big rollover, right? And obviously there's liquidity above us, but to me, it's about volume right now. So when we're looking at volume, what really appears to me is that we haven't had that sweep in the sense of, like, look at the volume in this low right here, right? Look at the volume in this low right here, right? Okay, this is bottoming volume. We really haven't had bottoming volume in this low over here. So if we're going down, we're on a decline here, right? And we could see that we haven't really had that bounce wick, right? Nothing like this. So to me, it's more likely to go down eventually. Even if we retrace, I would still like to see a sweep. 82, 83 is kind of where I'm eyeballing right now. There's like an impulsive golden pocket down in here, giving you guys all my secret levels. Pardon me. So for me, it's even if we come up and grab an order block in here and then we get rejected, I would look for that if we're gonna have any hopium going into March. Okay, the monthly looks absolutely dog poopy. Okay, so we need to be aware of that. But the volume is telling me that this is not done. Okay, that's what I want to make clear. So how do we prepare for that? Well, we have key levels all the way down. We have some critical levels that we are mostly interested in that are shared with the Discord. We obviously have liquidity all above us as well. So we're prepared any which way we go. But you can see obviously cascading down here, breaking down now. Not looking so good. But the daily here is pushing back a little bit, and we start to see a little bit of a momentum push back to the upside, which is good. The 12-hour coming across here. Do we have NVIDIA earnings today? Earnings this week. Do we have... Yeah, it's the... Do we have NVIDIA earnings today? I think we do. I think we do. You guys let me know in the chat. I think there's earnings. When does that come out? Do we have earnings today? Yeah. Aftermarket. It's today. Aftermarket. Thank you, Piper. Yeah. So NVIDIA is going to dump the market probably. So be prepared for that. Okay? Be prepared for that. I'm not your fundamentals go to Piper Academy. He'll explain everything to you. I just need to be aware of that thing so I don't get rugged. That's me, right? I watch the news because I want to see the news come in, right? We watch the news. We say, hey, there's news today at 8:30, whatever. We got durable goods tomorrow, right? So we're prepared. We're not going to be entering a trade at 8:30. That's all I do. If you want to learn about it and you want to get smart and understand why it's doing what it's doing and all that stuff, you're going to go over to Piper Academy and ask OC to show you his ETH today. That's what you're going to do. Okay? Okay? So when we're looking at this, what we see is that there's, a struggle to push back, really. That's what we're seeing. And if we're going into our day, what do we see? We've pushed back and we haven't even reclaimed 89. It's actually a dismal failure. We pushed down and then we pushed up like a 3% move, which is quite nice. We have the volatility. So we don't really care where Bitcoin goes. We just want to be on the right side of Bitcoin when it goes, kind of deal. Okay? That's all we care about. We're traders. We're not worrying about our HODL bags. We just want to crush the market and take the money. Okay? That's it. That's it. Okay? Of course, we want our bags to go to the moon. Let's keep that separate. Okay? Let's keep that separate. That's going to make us better traders. Okay? The 4 hour starting to curve down. Okay, this is not looking good. We have negative posturing on our across the board here. This is not looking juicy. This is rolling, and rolling. Okay, so nasty. Could mean more downside. Okay, the 3 hour going in here. Also rolling, right? A little bit of hopium in our stochastics here, but nonetheless looks like complete dog poo-poo. Okay, red dot trying to confirm here, pushing down. Now, this could be the retrace that we are looking for. That's why we're looking for a potential long here to push us back up into the order block up here, which would be our daily previous close up in this area here for a target. Okay, the white box target. We'll see if we get there. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. And then, we can obviously pull swing low to swing high here. Say, hey, man, we got to come up to our golden pocket, get rejected, yada, yada, yada. Not interested in that just yet. Okay, so let's just be prepared traders. A prepared trader is definitely a profitable trader, and that's the key, is that we want to participate in this crazy market as safely as possible while using good risk management and making sure that we're not laughing too much at the 5-minute camel toe. Okay, that's the key. Okay, that's not... Oh, Madonna. It's like, I don't know. Is this bullish or bearish, friends? Is this bullish or bearish? Army Piper, is this a bullish signal or a bearish signal? You got to let me know. Can't believe we went there today, but we have. We go to places beyond recognizing in the AlexOCrypto world. But hey, we're here for the fun. We're here for the giggles, and we make money while doing it. So that's the thing. If we were just on here losing money, then I don't think I wouldn't be here. I think I'd go back to carpentry. You're making like $80 an hour. So it's like if you can't really do that here, I mean, an easy $115,000 a year in carpentry, especially nowadays because nobody wants to swing a hammer. So this would be a retest right now. I want to see strengths come in here. Just looking for a bounce up to VWAP. This actually fits up quite nicely. Cheap trade here. Bull div, trigger wave. Money's not coming in. It's a cheap trade, though. Maybe look for 3 drives here. Just waiting here. This might be an opportunity to get long up to VWAP. Well, at least the low of this high here. Something like that. Waiting. Still waiting. No trade yet. No trade yet. Just waiting. Do 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 do. Ba-do ba-do boop boo doo doo. Oh. See, I don't like these candles in here. Boop 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 boop. And then roll over. That's kind of nasty. Still waiting. No trade. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out. 1 minute time frame. Good buy up on this wick, actually. I do like this. I'm going to take a stab here. Stop loss below the low. Really cheap trade. Taking a stab. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Push. Don't be a namby-pamby. Let me take a stab here. I'm in. Don't be a namby-pamby. Come on. I like the volume in this low. Come on. Push, baby. That 5-minute camel toe pattern playing out quite nicely right now. I think it's bullish. That 5-minute. Gotta go. Gotta go. That's a good candle. Really good candle. 3-minute candle. Really nice. Follow through. Follow through. Come on, baby. Follow through. Yeah. Come on. Follow through. We need follow through, my friend. Just up to here, 88,000. Can we come back for these highs? Come on, baby. You got it. Gotta go. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You got it. Come on. Come on. A little choppy in here. This is what I was talking about. A little choppy in this little ish. Indecisive at this level, right? It's kind of doesn't know what to do. Got to push through that, though. It can push through that. I believe in you. I believe in you. You can do it. You can do it. Push up to this high here, baby. Come on. Come on. You got it. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Auto Gang. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing to the channel. We are growers and showers. This is always a good time here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Trying to push up here on Bitcoin. Prices being a bit dismal. Not much strength. Yeah, JD, you're right. Trying to push through here. But don't see much follow through. Got a higher low volume coming in, trying to push up. Decreasing volume, though, so it is concerning if we do not see a pushback in here. It's kind of a dismal candle right now. I almost said camel. Feeling on the trigger wave here. Nasty little rejection here. We could get 3 drives back down. It's got to close above here now. Yeah, this is not looking good. No follow through. Poor follow through. I'm going to get stopped out. I think I'm going to get stopped out, my friends. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. Stop loss just below the low here at 360. I like the volume in this candle. It's like bull divs, anchor trigger wave, continuation trade. Not upset by it. Like, that's the thing. If you're practicing good risk management and you're taking a trade that, I mean, a little bit of an early trade for us, 8:45. You know you're going to have to wait when you take trades like this in the morning. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. Come on, baby. You got to push. Maybe an early entry, too. We did say we could get 3 drives down here and then go. Maybe a little bit rushed. It's that sticking point, right? That's kind of our observation here, is that we had this sticking point here. We came back, we tested it, and then we didn't continue through, right? It's okay. Come on, Bitcoin. You got to go. 360 is the stop loss. Just waiting here. Just waiting here. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. I should just do it like this, shouldn't I? I mean, I need my charts, though. Would you rather me do it like this? Put a 1 in the chat if you'd rather me trade like this. I mean, everybody just wants to see my entries. They all just want to know everything. They want to see it all. They want me naked on the screen. Oh, man. Of course they do. I need my tools, man. That's like me showing up to a job site with just my hands, okay? I like my tools. All right, no bounce. No bounce. It's got to go. A little bit rushed, I guess. I mean, I liked that candle. That's the problem. Snapping down here. Make or break here. This is kind of the make or break. $360 is my stop loss here. $360. I guess I should make this more accurate. Here you go. It gives me protection. If you mitigate the low and you bounce, right? If you mitigate the low and you bounce, it gives me that chance to still capitalize on this trade. So you understand why I put my stop a little bit lower than that. Not going to put it tight to this, okay? Got to give yourself a little bit of wiggle room. It's still within my 300 risk to reward here. If we're looking at, you know, my risk to reward, risking $344 here, right? There's my stop loss, $344, right? Still falls in the parameters. Push Bitcoin, you namby-pamby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Give the people what they want. Money. Give the people money. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Gotta push. This is make or break here. It's got to go, man. Got a little volume pickup here. This is good. We'll see if it does. If this is the bottom, if it wants to be the bottom, be the bottom. Be the bottom. Come on, Bitcoin push, baby. Let's go. 360 people in here. I'll do a spin for you. It's a bit tight behind my desk. I should push my desk out a little bit. 109 likes. I don't know what you guys are doing. You just watching me watch that 5 minute. Oh, we're getting a negative camel toe here. This is not good, guys. This is not good here. Money flow. Money flow is coming out aggressive. Okay. Yeah, money flow's coming out pretty hard here. 8 minutes curving up, though. There's some hopium here. I think this is a bit rushed this morning. Trading is waiting, baby. That's the principles, and sometimes you need to wait a little bit longer. I think, I'd feel a lot more comfortable being in on the lows here. Swing of the lows, trying to push up. I mean, it'd still be long from here, though. So this is rolling, but I would expect something like this for continuation. Retested this low in here, right? And then dump a palooza. View up here, standard deviation down at the lows here, trying to push back, right? Into a golden pocket bounce level, right? So everything's pointing in the right direction. Our risk to reward is good. We'll see how it plays out, right? I think this is going to be a little bit of a snooze fest, or we're going to get knocked out. If we do not push back with strength here. I could just take this off here, lose $150. But I think it could at least go, maybe not break even. We'll see. So decreasing volume, right? So patience. We'll see how it plays out. Thank you, everybody, for being here. JC coming through. I need a standing desk, man. I need you to build me one, my brother. How about them eggs, man? God bless you. Jason Casper coming through. My guy. I think everybody's... I mean, if you're not following the master, superstar, plunger, all the goodies, man. Coming through, blessing the stream, man. Oh, I learned so much from this man, guys. So make sure, this guy is a trailblazer. He's teaching you the ways. One of the best persons. God bless you as well, man. Always blessing his people. Always keeping it real. Freestyling. That's why we use the stop loss. Gonna get stopped out here. That's fine. 300 down 300 right now. Coming down to our 786, JC. Are we gonna bounce from here, man? I might take another stab here. Coming down to our 786. Will we bounce? That is the question. Jason Casper, are we gonna bounce? Three drives, bull divs, trying to bounce out. Trying to bounce out. Can we get bought up right here? That would be interesting. Thank you, Jason, for coming through. Much love to you, man. I do need a standing desk. I do not. You know what I do have, Jason? Here, let me show you, man. This is what I got on lock here. I have. You're going to laugh, man. I do have the bench press over there, okay? I'm not going to lie. I got the bench press, okay? I got the pedals, bro. So I can do pedaling underneath. Can you meet me halfway? Is that okay? Is that acceptable, Jason Casper? Shout out to Jason Casper and the Casper crew. Thank you so much for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Coming down to that, Jason Casper 786. Will we bounce out of that? Bitcoin dumping. Coming for everybody's grandma's money. We'll see if it does want to continue. 786, not enough memory. What? This memory thing. I don't know what's going on with the memory thing here. Do I have to like refresh my browser? I got to delete all my hub. All of the stuff out here. Coming down to that 786. This is why you use good risk management. Stop loss in. Looking for a bounce off 786. We'll see if we get it here. Coming down. Coming down. Bitcoin rolling over. Who's in the short? Let me know. Here's our 786. Right through it. Oh, here's the chickens drinking water. Are we going to get the CDW? Are we going to get the CDW down here? Oh, Bitcoin's taking a dump. Coming down. Aggressive, aggressive, aggressive. One loss today. Keeps the doctor away. Yes, I had that before the treadmill. God bless you, man. Thanks, bro. Yeah, that's all I got. I don't know. My wife said I had to hit the gym the other day, so I got the weighted dumbbells. I got the adjustable dumbbells, and we'll see if that helps me out. Looking for the bounce off this 786. Thank you, Jason Casper, for coming through and blessing the stream. I mean, I'm gonna have to get on my pedal bike. If we all long 100x all at the same time, then yes, let's go. Let's go. I'm down to long it. I like the volume in this low, bouncing out. I would like to see confirmation, my friend. But this is very, very scam ruggedy. This price action has been treacherous, to say the least, right? To say the least. So we'll see if we do pop back up here off of our 786. Chickens drinking water for Jason Casper. Can we bounce? That is the question. It doesn't look like we're bouncing, man. Pretty nasty here. I will take it if we bounce back in here. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it for the Casper crew. Guys, make sure you guys are subscribed to Jason Casper. We got 390 people in here hanging out. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for being here, hanging out. Make sure you guys always use a plunger because Bitcoin is dumping, man. Bitcoin is dumping. Pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. Trying to bounce off this 786 here. It doesn't look like it's bouncing, my friends. It looks like it's going down. Bitcoin's not liking it. Coming into 9 o'clock right now. Bitcoin's going down the funky town. We should have taken this short, I guess. Wild. We'll have to reassess here. Obviously, Bitcoin coming down for these lows in here. Grabbing some liquidity. Make sure you guys are wearing your depends. It always depends on where the liquidity resides. But you can see a big old rug machine this morning. Pretty wild. Not going to fade this thing yet. It's just dumping. My God. 400 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Coming down for the lows now. That's kind of where that's our bare minimum now. So we're looking here. That's our next level. Right through our 786. Big dump this morning. Whew. 2.5% dump. Crushing everybody's feelings. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Did anybody get in that short? Let me know. Randy Hipper in the chat. Good morning to you, Randy. Hopefully you're doing well. God bless you, too. God bless you. Thank you for being here, Randy Hipper. Getting a big bounce off the chickens drinking waters here. I don't know what kind of water is in that water, but, you know, I'd be careful here. Be very, very careful here. You know, people are going giga short here. Giga short. It's a lot different than a regular short. Maybe we should just go and press sell, eh? What do you think? My God. Anybody got news on why Bitcoin's just dying? Bitcoin's dead. Is anyone short? Let me know in the chat. This is crazy. Liquidity, BlackRock sell-off. Oof. Where will we find support? Where will we find support? That is the question. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the chat. God bless every single one of you guys. 408 people here of absolute, beautiful, degenerate otters, all kicking ass, taking names every single day. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, hanging out with me. You guys are the real ones. Big sell-off this morning. Coming back for some late shorts here. We could jump on this short train if you want. No trade. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Big sell-off this morning. Holy smokes. Do you got any news, or is this just fun? Is this just the fun? Down to fill the CME gap. That's 73,000 RS Miller, isn't it? Good morning, Randy Hipper. Good to see you. JR, what's going on? Late shorters. Wrecked. Yeah, big. I mean, that was nasty. That's why you always use a stop loss, friends. Remember, it's violent out here. Look at that. Like, not even gave us a little hopium and then took it all away. My God. Nasty Bitcoin dumpy. Okay, so don't get in the way of this train. Looks like it's going to continue to roll over here, coming into a buy level, but say goodbye to this level. It's coming right through it. Okay, readjust here. Let me just reset. Well, we said we wanted lower. We failed to get above 89,000. We got basically 3 drives up top here, and we are coming down. Holy smokes, Batman. Okay, coming for that low. Big sweep here, everybody. Be careful. We don't want to get in the way of this thing. Don't want to get in the way of this. Okay, so coming for the lows in here right now. Little bounce. Big volume coming in here. 9 o'clock. It's kind of an odd time for some bouncing and some liquidity, but big rollover. Nasty. I guess we should be looking for longs, but in this situation, look at this handsome man. Jason Casper in the house. Thank you for dropping by, Jason. Thank you for dropping by, Randy. So many good people here, man. You got to keep a good circle in here. That's what it's all about. We got 412 people here. Jason Casper coming through, blessing the stream. Rolling over here. Coming for the lows. Very clear. Good volume here. Good volume. Here it comes. Down we go. Who's in the short? Let me know if you are in the short. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you're all doing well. Bitcoin selling off here in a big old dumperelli. The 5-minute camel toe is bearish, if you're wondering. Okay. Going to the 3-minute here. I mean, just down only right now, so we wait. Very overextended to the downside, but not. When something's doing this, you just stay out and you wait. I mean, you could look to short it, but it's not something you want to get in the way of. Okay, so you not want to press buy here. It's not always a good idea. Okay, let the dust settle a bit. It's coming for the lows in here from yesterday. Okay, very clear. We'll see how it goes here. Thank you everybody for being here. These squeezes to the downside aren't very easy to see. They're making it, look at this thing. Down only, stalls out in the golden pocket, then dies, right? So, especially with a move down like this, you'd expect a little, all I was looking for when we got long here was that retrace and continuation, right? That's it. That's it. But clearly just dump city. So no trade there. Continuation here to the downside. Everybody's saying it's over, which is good. That's bullish, right? I think if everyone's saying it's over, it's pretty bullish. That 5-minute camel toe got us, everybody. We got to wait. Trading is waiting. We'll see what we get here. We'd like for some very unexpected this dump. 9 o'clock. A little pushback here. We could look for a continuation trade here if we wanted. I think they'll come back at least halfway up this candle here, maybe 86. They're trapping shorts right now. In my opinion, they're trapping shorts. There's still liquidity to come for down below here. But you trap shorts, you push it back up, then you drop it again, right? Going to the 1 minute here. Still waiting here. Thank you everybody for being on the live. We got 460 people here on the dump. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys so much. Jason Casper coming through, blessing the stream. Everybody here blessing it with their presence. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Sniper's Nightmare. What's going on? Trend is your friend. That's the one. I got tons of memory. We went out and bought tons of memory. Often, many browser windows open. I only have one browser window open. So, looks like we're getting a little pushback here. A little pushback. Down to 74,000. I don't think so. For your cycle, Alex, take the liquidity. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Sell the dip. Short since this morning. Let's go. Beautiful short. George is shorting. We're all George. Let's go. What is the reason? Liquidity, man. They're just simple. When you push up here, this is not sustainable, right? So you come down, you roll over, okay? You put in your beautiful 3 drives in here, you push up, but this right here is very aggressive, not giving you any sort of retracement, and you never come back for the lows in here. So this is always a target, especially when we fail to get above 89,000 this morning, okay? As a short-term time trader, right? We were just trying to take a little scalp in here, and then we could have shorted, okay? But $300 loss, it's easy to recover from for me, okay? But if you're not using a good stop loss, you're going to get rugged, right? So still got liquidity at the lows in here, probably want to come for, but like I said, probably trapping shorts right now. So a little pushback maybe, and then a dump. We'll see. Trading is waiting, baby. That's it. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. If you are new here, thank you. Subscribe. Thank you for hanging out. I appreciate you guys for being here. We do have an amazing Discord, which is $1 a day for traders, keeping the doctor away. If you do want to join us, we'd love to have you over here. Okay, we got 4 traders helping you guys. Profitable, amazing setups. I mean, Brewberry crushed it yesterday. Joe Biden trades. Sleepy Joe. Thesis with the amazing trades yesterday too. Crushing Polkadot yesterday. Quite amazing. An amazing group of people. We have live streams all the time. Sponsored by the man himself, Mr. Face. We love Mr. Face here. And if you do want to join, we'd love to have you. It's $1 a day. And if you don't want to join, that's fine. Come over to the free section, hang out, talk a lot of smack. And we'd love for you guys to come over and hang out. I do appreciate you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Make sure you are saying good morning. We're always saying good morning to everybody, because that's how we roll here. We're here live 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading the market every single day. So thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out. Much love to every single one of you guys. Can we pay in crypto? No. There's no, maybe one day Stripe will get those payments on board, but you don't have a legal good way for taxes to pay for the Discord through crypto. So I'm sorry about that. We do not have that service, or I would have it. Good morning, Alex. A bit late today. Good to see you, Nicholas. We got stopped out, Nicholas, this morning. Little $300 loss off the rollover here. You know, not to be expected, a big dump. But good morning, DSV. Good to see you as well. Henrik, KK. Okay, good to see you. Much love to you. The power. 80K incoming. There's a lot of volume waiting at that level. Yeah, we do have a couple of key levels. 83K being one of them. Little Fish, good morning to you. Good to see you as well. We do got market open in 14 minutes, so let's be patient here. Let's see what goes on with the market this morning. We'll see how we go. Bitcoin rolling over here, pretty aggressive. Don't want to get in the way of this sell-off. Coming down here. Oof. Here we come, sweeping. Anybody in that short? Some people are short from yesterday. That's pretty awesome, man. Congratulations on your money. Make sure you pay yourselves. Coming down for that low right now as we speak. No trade. Nice bounce off of that. Didn't exactly hit that low though. That's interesting. Coming again. It's coming again. There's a joke in there somewhere. I'd be looking for a little bit of a bounce here. Maybe halfway up the candle here. Shorter term time frames here. We've got a little bull div here trying to push. This is 1 minute, everybody, so be very careful here, please. A little push up into here. This area, 80, 88, 86.8. We'll see. No trade, just waiting. Obviously, big threat of downside pressure here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. A big dumperelli today. Lots of people in here. The power. Do not attempt to long this. The drop has to happen in order for us to begin the final phase of the bull run. I love it. 80K incoming. Woof. Nasty. Nasty. Do not attempt to long it. Thank you for the super chat. God bless you. The power. The power. Thank you for being here, Power Man. Thank you for the warning. Thank you for, helping protect the people, man. That's so important. It's so important to protect your downside. Sometimes days like this, best to stay out. Best to stay out, right? No longs, no shorts. Maybe I should get this off my screen so people don't mistake it for we're trying to get long here. No. Just saying we could come back up into this area here before rolling over. Coming for that low right now, 86,000. Could tap and bounce, but not something I want to take. Not with this much aggression. More rollover. I mean, not even really an opportunity to get short in here. Just very aggressive and like 0.5% move. This one, whew, nasty. Bitcoin dumping. No trades. I'd like to get short here, but there really isn't an opportunity. So this is like it's just going to boop. We wait. We wait, my friends. Good to see you, Scott. Good to see you, man. Bass Crouton. Good morning, Otter Farts. Otter Farts. I love it. Here's the rollover. Big rollover. My God. Nasty. Sweep of the lows. Zooming out here. This thing's just going down, baby. I guess we should have just gotten short, eh? That would have been good. Now I'm starting to like the volume in these lows here. This is pretty nasty. $84,000, maybe. Just waiting. 74,000 people are saying, whoo. Big bull div in here coming through. This would be a big bullish divergence. Anybody in? Someone's got to be in this short, man. You guys are crushing it. You guys are crushing the short. Bounce coming. I don't think so, man. I don't see no bouncing here. I see crushing downside pressure. Could be anticipation for the NVIDIA earnings or, you know, the SPY. We got SPY open soon. Oof. NASDAQ's holding up. Bitcoin ain't. Bitcoin down to 85,500. Getting demolished this morning, down a whole 3% already. Jeez. Pretty nasty. Next level, 85,000 down here. Volume level. I mean, this will give us a bull div here on like multiple time frames. But look at this 30-minute. This is volume. Okay, this is good volume. Right? Look at our hourly. We still got work to do. See? Lots of work to do here. Big sell-off here on Bitcoin. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Getting the popcorn out, watching the dump with me. 450 people watching the dump with AlexOCrypto. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, gang. We do, what do you call an eagle who can play the piano? What do you call an eagle that can play the piano? Talented. I had to bust a dad joke, right? Everybody's so sad right now. Everybody's so sad. Very aggressive pullback, a lot of shorts from the 105K range. Yeah. Did I fix your guys' sadness or what? All right, let's go, Bitcoin. You got to do something. Trapping longs, man. That's all it's doing right now. Everybody getting their longs out, and it's not the long time, okay? Like, anytime you're dumping, look at this thing, for example. So whenever you're dumping down, you will have a time where you have the opportunity to get long, okay? If you're looking to get long. Other than that, you're looking to take this puppy on the highs in here and take it down, right? What says long right here? Tell me. Let me know, chat. What says long? Not a hell of a lot, right? Not a hell of a lot. What it says is that we're coming down. If you want to participate, you can get on the trend, right? Big rollover. Yes, we've mitigated the lows in here. Yes, we're trapping shorts here. Probably come back up. All that fun stuff, but there's nothing here that says, "Hey, man, you might want to press buy." If anything, we're going to press sell. I might look to take a short right now. I think we can come lower, don't you? This might be the one. What do you guys think? Get short here? Take it down to 83? Or are we going to get long here? Is that what we're going to do? Now, order blocks are a good way to kind of stay on. Order blocks do present good opportunities to get short if we're looking for it. Up in here, right? So we can look here for this order block. Very possible. Stalling it again. You can look up here for continuation down. Kind of getting a little bit of a buy up right now. A little bit of patience here. Definitely coming back for these late shorts in here. Order block presents the opportunity here, possible short opportunity. We'll see if it does want to push that back down off of this order block wick test kind of deal in here. No trade for me. I'm just staying out of this. This is nasty, in my opinion. Very nasty. This will chop you up really fast. The volume is very sporadic. This is not a trade zone for me. This is very much stay out of this. Don't get wrecked, right? That's what this is. Thank you, everybody for being on. I can't speak English. Thank you, everybody, for being on here, hanging out with me, watching the dump live. See if we do get an opportunity to get long or short. But right now, there's no trade, in my opinion. No trade whatsoever. This thing is selling off quite aggressively, coming back up to the order block. Now dumping on people's heads again. Okay, so be careful out here, please. Please be careful. Holy balls. Yeah. There's that order block sell off. Coming back down now. It's just whipsaw price action, friends. What was that? That was pretty aggressive there. Did you guys see that? That looked like a little bit sketchy. Maybe that was retest back into here. Continuation down. Holy balls. Yeah, exactly. Holy balls is right. This is nasty. Anybody take the order block sell off here? This one here? If you're going to participate in this, you got to be cheap. Please be cheap. Don't be over leveraged, right? Anything like that, that's going to get you wrecked here. You can go order block, sell off here kind of deal. You can look for that. Not something that I would take, though. I'd be patient here. I just wait. It's a little battle trying to battle back here for the bulls. Not looking good here. Thank you everybody for being on the stream with me, hanging out. I mean, big old sell off on Bitcoin. Big old sell off, man. I don't know where it's gonna go. Most likely down. As if I had to, machete to my head, if I had to guess, we going down, baby. We going down, down, down. I took a little scalp there. I'm not suggesting for you guys to take a little scalp. I say little scalp. I went short here. I mean, it's moving like crazy. I ain't gonna suggest for you guys to do this, okay? You guys are not allowed to do this. But quick little scalp just now. As soon as I saw that weakness, I took it. Not for you guys to do, okay? Not for you guys to do. For you guys to be... I can't suggest. I can't say, hey, man, just press sell. Okay, it's not easy. This is nasty, okay? You need to be very careful here. I would expect a pushback. Coming into market open, we got market open here, opening up quite good, to be honest. Even though we are in a very aggressive sell-off here on the S&P, at least we didn't open up low. Okay, NASDAQ rolling over quite aggressively here. I'd be very patient today. Nice buy up here. A good volume to start the week, or start the day, I apologize. Okay. If we're measuring this candle against the volume of these three candles, it's pretty close. We still got about 22 minutes in this candle. Pushing back here. The bulls trying to push back. Good pushback here for the bulls. It's trying. It's trying. I didn't have any level down here. Okay. Coming back for late shorts. Be looking up here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 460 people here. That's absolutely incredible. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. We're actually growing pretty nice now. We're at 8,300 subscribers. I thank you guys for being here. Always here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10. Hanging out with you guys, crushing these markets. I'm 1 for 1 today. I did not give you guys the second trade because I did not feel comfortable giving it. 1 for 2. I apologize. Big pushback here. Grabbing all the late shorts here. Okay, aggressive price action today, friends. So be very careful here. Don't want you guys getting wrecked. Okay. Holy smokes, it's pumping. Yeah, it's quite the emotional roller coaster. If you're not on the right side of the trade, like we said this morning, you're going to get wrecked, right? So just manage that risk. It's better taking a loss. Look, I took a loss this morning, and then I took a scalp short in here, and I made double my money back, right? So, you know, you take the $300 loss this morning, and then you make a $700 scalp short into this, right? So we're winning, right? That's it, right? So you don't want to be on the wrong side of this. That's what I'm trying to say here. I'm going to push back here for Bitcoin. Got some volume resistance up in here. Sweeping the lows, big sweep of the lows, right? Giving us big bullish divergence in here, right? Very aggressive sell-off here, though. So I would not be longing this until you have clear confirmation. Yes, the price is moving up, but it's not ideal, in my opinion. You want to be... Got a little bit of a V-shaped recovery attempting to happen right now. Big sell-off this morning. Okay, little rejection here. Trading is waiting, baby. I mean, if you're looking for the long, I guess you could look for something along these lines where you get a higher low here in continuation. But you're fading all of this, right? So V-shaped recovery back up into this high. Quite possible. Very possible, to be honest. Did anyone get long here? Let's ask the real question. Put a 1 in the chat if anyone got long on this low here. I need to know. Did anyone get long there? You guys got to let me know. Where's my chat? There it is. Put a 1 in the chat if you got long there. You guys are lying. You guys are... You went all in. Let me know. Did you guys go long down there? What was your level? Let's see. How did you guys get this level? Okay. There's no level for me down here. Mitigation of the low. Okay, cool. How did you get this level? You tell me. You just went for it. You don't even have an extension level down here. You just felt it. Let me guess. You had a feeling. What was your confirmation? I see all you EMA on the daily. I see you guys all You guys got your EMA on the daily. I can do the EMA confirmations all the time, man. I'll do the EMA here, and I just flip through this thing. I'll flip through the thing until it matches up with what I wanted. Here's my EMA on the daily. Oh, we got our 200 or 100. Oh, it looks close. Maybe it was the 12-hour 200. I'm just taking the piss. You guys didn't. You guys are crazy, man. You guys are crazy. The power of stupid. That was the last pullback? I don't know about that. I use chicken bones to find the bottom. Voodoo is real. Let's go. Chicken bones, baby. Chicken bones for the win. Bunch of gamblers. That's what it sounds like. Yeah. What was your confirmation on that long? The 1 minute volume spike? Let's see who's the most degen here. What is your entry? 85 350 is the low. 85 350 is the low. Let's see who's got the best entry. 85 350 is the low. Okay? Who's got the best entry? Put in your entry down below. I want to know. Who's got the best degenerate entry in the crowd? Let's go. Let's go. Let's see those entries. 85,555. George, good job, George. 560. So, Kanisha, yeah, not bad. Okay. 85,400. Let's go. Daharo. Let's go, Daharo. 85,6. Okay. 85,5. 85,355 from Dog Cooper. Guys, Dog Cooper might win this. 85,355. 85,437. You guys are absolute degenerates, man. Dog Cooper's kicking out. You guys are incredible, man. You guys should not be trading. You guys should be in the, sniping or something. Jason Bourne. Jeez. Incredible job. Really, really incredible job. That's I got in at 85,300. I don't know what you guys are talking about. On my exchange, the wick came down to 300. You guys are crazy, man. On my exchange, I got in at 85,300. You guys are sick nasty, man. You guys are so sick nasty, man. I love it. Great job, everybody. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. Crushing it. Look at the low is the low in. Put a 1 in the chat if that was the low. Put a 1 in the chat if this is our low. Put a 2 in the chat if we're going lower. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. 1.5. Okay. All right. Good job, everybody. At least we're being honest. Oh man, shout out to those who got in, man. That's incredible. I mean, I'm happy. I took the scalp. I took a big doozy scalp from up here. Okay, I took that scalp from up here down to here. Big $760 win for me. Okay, I wasn't gonna suggest you guys get into that, but you guys are absolutely awesome, man. Good job. And for those who have the FOMO, okay, you're not. Obviously, your entry is down here. But for those who have the FOMO right now, you're getting a V-shaped recovery. You're coming back within the range, okay? So keep it simple. We're range bound again. Where is your range? Identify your range. So always important, identify your range. Fixed range volume profile helps a lot with this, okay? So you can see you do have support where we're reclaiming right now. So that's your V-shaped recovery coming back into your value area, right? So now you look to trade up to the top of the range, which is 88,000, 89,000 eventually. Like this thing could come back and do that, but you look to make your way back up to 89,000. You have a couple of stops along the way, but a very nice recovery here for the Bitcoin price. Okay, so shout out to those who got in the long. I would say your target would be 88,000 here, retesting the lows, but a nice move nonetheless. Okay, coming right back up. Look, we would have been broken even here on our morning trade. Imagine I didn't use a stop loss. Okay, that's hilarious. All the way back up here. Nice move for Bitcoin. My God. Congratulations to those who got long. Enjoy your gains. Don't forget to pay yourself, please. So cool, man. So cool. We got 460 people in here. Some of you guys, I think Dog got the best entry. But you guys all did you guys all went. Goldie Crypto got in at 85,400. Let's go, Goldie. Let's go, Goldie. Awesome job, Goldie. Shout out to you. Sniper's Nightmare got on Ondo. You guys are all absolute superstars, man. Good job, everybody. I don't believe any of you for 1 minute that you had confirmation to get long there. I do not believe any of you. I don't. I'm sorry. There's nothing that told me to press buy here. Well, okay. We got the daily 100 moving average. Okay, so we can go here, our daily moving average, our daily 100. We can add our daily 100, moving average 1. Here's our daily 100. It's not even above our daily 100. Okay. I don't know. Whatever your confirmation was, good job. I love to see other people win too. Like that's the thing is like I am a trader amongst traders. That is what this whole community is built on. Thank you guys for kicking ass, taking names as usual. Like we all have our different styles. We all have our different things. I don't think you all had confirmation. I think we were rolling over, and I think you all got a little bit degenerate, and that's okay too. Okay? Sometimes you just ask the gods. You guys were all using. My confirmation was a cracked drumstick, says Paul Caruso. I love it. We have the YOLO confirmation. Okay. I mean, if you're EMA trading, what EMA are you? 3-minute EMA here? You got to be on a 1-minute EMA. You got to be 1-minute EMA. Here's your crossover, and there's your long. I don't know about that. Maybe we do a 30-second EMA. Does you guys 30-second EMA charts? 21.955. You guys are some sort of special, man. That's why we love you here. That's why we love you. I'm up today. I took the short. I took the long, got stopped out, took the short, made $700, so $300, $350 day. That's fine. That's fine with me. I don't want to touch this at all. It's been a fun one here. I mean, what a day. We got doozied by the 5-minute camel toe pattern this morning. Okay, the 5-minute camel toe took our money. We blasted through the 786. We grabbed the liquidity at the lows. We bounced back out. All of you guys pressed long right at the bottom. Great job. We continue to push our way up here. This has been a fun stream. I really enjoyed today. I really did. We do have a Discord live later. Come over to the Discord. Join the Discord. We'd love to have you. It's $1 a day. Keeps the doctor away. Come over there, please. Hang out with us. We'd love to have you. A great community here, guys. You guys have absolutely crushed it. I'm going to send you over to the Piper Academy. If you wouldn't mind going over there and absolutely shoving a plethora of otters in the chat, that would be very, very helpful. We got 420 of you guys in there. Expect all of you to go over there and say hello. Throw some otters in the chat. That would be great for my friends over at the Piper Academy. I'm going to send you over there. I'll even give you guys the link to the channel so that you guys can go over there and spam the living beep out of the otters over there. Would love for you guys to do that. They start in 5 minutes. Hopefully they start sooner rather than later because we're coming over now. Bitcoin, absolutely flying, okay? What an amazing day. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. here, helping you guys navigate these charts. What a doozy today. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. And congratulations on your longs, guys. This thing is ripping. God bless you guys. Here comes over the gang.
On it come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco.